Hi, it's Monica. I'd like to thank you first for watching my video. If you're new to my ads, I am a mentor, coach, and online business owner. So I just want to give you a brief tutorial as to how I got started in this business. So about a year and a half ago, I was scrolling through my Facebook feed and came across this amazing ad, which I clicked on. It brought me to a separate page where I was able to enter in my name and email address. Once I did that, it brought me to a free information session. The presentation was so well done that I decided to join right on the spot. And like I said, it's been a year and a half. I've never looked back. So why I was looking for something to kind of, do part-time is because my husband and I, we still work full-time. We have good jobs, but we were always looking for something to supplement our income. I am a mother of two beautiful girls, 15 and 12, currently 15 and 12, and soon to be 16 and 13. So as any parent knows, kids are expensive. And as the older they get, the more expensive life gets, right? So my husband and I have always worked full-time, and we've also had part-time jobs. We've had the part-time jobs just to kind of give us a little bit extra income to be able to have our girls do extracurricular activities, which is like soccer and dance, and always wanted to be able to take more than one vacation a year. Even that was challenging, to be able to go on vacation. So happy to say that last year we were able to take 3 vacations, which was awesome. I don't think I've ever taken 3 vacations in 1 year. So that was pretty cool. And then as we were watching the free information session, we were thinking to ourselves, wouldn't it be great if we could retire by the time we were 55? So that was another thing that we always had in the back of our minds. So we found that working part-time was taking us away from the things that are most important, and that was spending time with our girls. Even though we were able to provide the extra income and have them do their extracurricular activities, we weren't able to spend much time with them. So it kind of defeated the purpose. So since I've been doing this, we've been able to, like I said, go on more family vacations. The girls, we've been able to save up for the future for them. We've opened up bank accounts for them, so which is awesome. So my oldest is going to be 16 this year, and she's going to start to drive and all that. So we've been able to put a little bit aside so that when that comes, the time comes, that we're able to help her out with that. So anyway, I just so what I do is I teach people how to create a successful online business. So if you're interested, let me know. I can certainly guide you in the right direction, and be happy to help you out with that. I will put my link above, and you can certainly click on that at any point in time. If not, you can certainly send me a message. So if you're looking to spend more quality time with your family, if you're looking to supplement your income, we always find that it was hard to pay the bills on time. So now we're at a stage where we're able to do that. So, or if you're just looking for something maybe that you want to start part-time, that can, some of the business owners to date do this full-time, but I'm choosing to do it part-time for now. So hopefully when I retire, when I'm 55, I can start doing this full-time. So anyway, I just wanted to come on here real quick and kind of explain what I do, and hopefully this video was a little bit enlightening and informative. There's great information at the free information session we hold on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5 p.m. PST, which is Vancouver time. So if you're looking to take some time out, and if you can afford to spend 90 minutes of your time to watch the webinar, feel free, and I can help you get there. So anyways, just want to jump on here real quick and kind of give you a brief rundown as to why I do this business. So have a great day, and thanks again for watching my video. And again, it's Monica, so we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.